Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Farouk from Team Luminous. My team will present planets in our solar system. Our poster consists of two parts, the entirety of the solar system and each individual planet. So, I as the first presenter will present the first two planets and the Sun. Firstly, the Sun is the heart of every solar system, has a surface temperature of 5,500 Celsius and burns for approximately 10 billion years. Our current state of the Sun is around 5 billion years and will probably explode in the next 5 billion. Next on, Mercury. It is the closest planet to the Sun, both extremely hot and cold depending on which side you are on, the smallest and the fastest planet, and named after the god Mercury. From this point on, I will pass the presentation to my next presenter, Wanova Alfi.
Hi, I'm Wanova Alfi and I will continue with the presentation. Here we have Venus. Venus is the hottest planet, yet water won't exist on this dry planet. Finally, it has a thick and toxic atmosphere. Next, we have Earth. Earth is the only planet with life among all planets in our solar system. Earth has a breathable atmosphere. Earth is more than 71% water. With that, this presentation will continue with the next presentation.
Hi, I'm Kssm and I will continue this presentation about Mars and Jupiter. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and also known as the Red Planet. It is known as the Red Planet because it has a cold rocky surface made out of iron oxide, which gives it that reddish color. Also has two tiny moons named Phobos and Deimos. It is also home to the tallest volcano in our solar system called Olympus Mons. Next, I will continue with Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from our solar system and it is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is a gas giant because it is made up of hydrogen and helium. It is so big that it can fit 1,300 Earth inside it. Also, Jupiter has a massive storm called the Great Red Spot, which has been raging for about hundreds and hundreds of years. Jupiter has 95 moons, including Ganymede, the largest moon in our solar system. Next, I will pass this presentation to the next presenter.
Thank you, Kssm, for that explanation earlier. Now, I, Haris Iman, will continue explaining the last three planets, which are Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now, first up, Saturn. Now, Saturn is one of the largest gas giants in our solar system. It's also famous for its beautiful rings, which are made of ice and rock particles as well as dust. Now, a day in Saturn lasts less than 11 hours. Another thing is that it's also less dense than water. Next up is Uranus. Now, Uranus is a pretty unique planet because unlike other planets, it rotates on its side approximately 98 degrees. Right? Another thing is it has a bluish green color, which it gets because of its ammonia in its planet. Alright? Lastly, it's extremely cold with a temperature of negative 224 Celsius. Lastly, Neptune. Neptune is the last planet in our solar system and it's the furthest away from the Sun. It also takes about 165 years to fully orbit the Sun. Alright? Now, its winds can go as fast as 2,100 kilometers per hour. Now finally, like Uranus, it rains diamonds over there. So that covers up all of our planets. Thank you for listening and I'll see you guys next time.